Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? This is your girl Haley Elise, aka Naturally Her, and thank you all so much for tuning in as always. Alright y'all, so this ends my book series here on YouTube. I will of course keep you all abreast as things progress, but this is I think my last formal video for right now with the book. As you all can see, I'm expanding my brand, my talents, and the things that I'm dipping into, and so I think it's really important for me to show you all how to keep up with me and that I can reach out on different fronts. So as y'all know, I'm all over social media now, so TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. But not only that, I now have an official website where you all can find me and everything that I'm doing in one place. It's gonna talk about and highlight my endeavors as a natural hairstylist, as well as an educator, and everything that I'm doing all together. I know it can be so hard to keep up with me and what I got my hands in now, but I'm trying to make it a little bit easier. But also, if you would like to book me or collaborate, whether it's about the book or with hair, I am now open for those things as well. So this website is going to be the best way to keep up with me. Until next time, remember, healthy hair is good hair. All right? Peace, love, and hair grease.